This is hello to all of our HUNCH hardware manufacturing students and teachers. We hope that you're all safe and well during this difficult time, and we regret that we will not be able to hold our annual recognition event this year due to the current health conditions. We would love to recognize each and every one of you in person, but since that's not possible this year, we wanted to send you this message. We will, however, be sending out digital copies of everyone's HUNCH certificates, recognizing you for your participation in the program this year. HUNCH would like to thank each student, teacher, and faculty member and mentor for supporting the program this year. We know how much time and dedication it takes to meet the challenge of producing flight hardware for NASA. And it's not an easy thing to produce flawless and almost perfect parts. It requires working as a team, following stringent processes, and attention to every detail to learn and understand what the drawing intends, and then to execute all of this. It requires working in compliance with tight tolerances, creating complex CNC machining programs to accurately produce every aspect of the part. It requires special finishing and intricate handwork of each part once it comes off the machine. It requires that you perform final inspections of every part to complete the quality assurance records required. If you're assembling hardware, you follow detailed processes and military specifications to produce the proper outcome. Really, this explanation still does not do justice to the hard work and attention to detail required to be successful at this. And you have proven that you have what it takes. And you did it in high school. What you've accomplished this year is absolutely amazing. We know that your school year was cut short by the health conditions, but we can see that you are all working hard together to meet the goals set forth. And this is exactly what we hope for. That each student is learning the many different aspects of engineering, machining, and process control, as well as gaining valuable hands-on technical experience. You achieved that. Be proud of everything you accomplished this year, because we certainly are. Thank you to your teachers and faculty members, volunteer mentors, for providing so much time and effort and patience in giving the students all the resources and mentoring necessary to learn and grow. It's not an easy thing to do, and each one of you did a remarkable job. So thank you. Thank you to the students for spending so much time and effort working on producing precision products for NASA. Your hard work supports a very real need. Each year, HUNCH has the privilege of delivering critical spaceflight hardware to NASA, and you are directly responsible for that. The work that you've been doing directly supports the space program and NASA. Each piece part that you produce will become part of a critical assembly that will support the International Space Station. HUNCH students have produced thousands of parts that have flown into space and to the ISS. And all the parts that we receive and process come from you. We see the quality and attention to detail in your work, and we hear your stories about overcoming the challenges you encounter with your projects and what you learn from them. We're amazed by the precision and the technical expertise that you achieve with each part you produce. Your work impresses so many at NASA and in the aerospace industry. Just this week, HUNCH made several significant flight hardware deliveries to the International Space Station program. Just a few are single stowage lockers, 5, 20 caution warning panels, 400 EVA wire type that astronauts will use when they go outside the space station. Without your dedication and determination, we could not accomplish the success that we have supporting NASA. Once again, I want to emphasize to you all our sincere thanks for your participation in the HUNCH program. I'm incredibly proud of all that you've accomplished, and I want to pass along NASA's sincere thanks directly to you for your hard work. We look forward to your exceptional work moving forward to its final destination aboard the International Space Station and beyond. Be proud knowing that you are a huge, important part of the NASA team and that you can accomplish anything that you set out to achieve. So stay safe, healthy, and take care. And thank you once again for all of you who participated this year.